Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to fix this shed inside, stabilize it. Victor and Nico are going to do it. And we're putting in the floor right now. We're going to level it against the floor. So that's what we're doing right now.
That's why I left the lettuce. I should just put the car back up here. I think I know that stuff.
You want to move my dog and you want to
Yeah, that's probably a better idea. In the meantime, I'll just do this. Yeah, so before I go.
So there's no light in here, no windows. This is the shed at the river, but I built this shelf yesterday, put some support brackets in the front, and there's 2x4s along the sides and the back, and then this 1/2-inch piece of plywood is resting on top. Doesn't have to be more than that. Thinking about putting another shelf underneath here on this side, but I don't know yet. Have to see what storage is like in here. But it stretches across the back. It's 91, almost 92 inches wide and 25 inches from here to there. And this is a good start for a place to work and just do things inside if it's raining or just sun's too hot outside, whatever. So these are the new doors for the shed. They go vertical, the pallet wood goes vertical and everything else on the shed goes horizontal. I wanted to change that up. So what I did is I got pressure treated wood, I made the frames. I backed them with some of this wood. It's a T111 I had left over. Let's see if I can show it to you. Oop. I don't know if you can see it around everything. That's the back. I'm gonna paint the backs, just make life easier. And then the pallet wood went in the center, and I burned the frames. They're pressure treated wood, but I burned them. I think you call it shoshikiban or something like that. I don't know anybody who knows how to pronounce that. And then I nailed pallet woods onto the T111 in the back. And I will assemble those and take a picture and send that to you or show you that. But I think they turned out pretty cool. I hope they look good on the shed.